Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Magic, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, finding the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. And now we have to scroll down to find block numbers. Let's tap on this option. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So just tap on block, and here you've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now to enter the blacklist, we have to be on the contacts, recents or favorites, and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the settings and enter blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is the number we blocked from our contact, so the previous option works. And here we can do it manually, so just tap on add a number, phone number, and you can enter it here. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied. Also, you've got this option unknown at the top, and you can turn it on and off just by using the switcher, and basically your device will block all calls from all unidentified callers. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.